How did I go from this to this?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Uzi, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. And if you're returning Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Uzi. If this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us once again. So today I will be sharing my skincare routine. Most of the products I'm going to be using are from my brand. By the way, if you do not know that I have a brand, I'm going to link the video somewhere up here so you can go check that out. I have a skincare brand and I recently launched a few new products, so I decided to share with you guys how I use them in my skincare routine, because basically that's all I use in my routine. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is double cleansing, and I'm using the Loose Skin Reset Cleansing Oil. So you just want to shake this up a bit because the emulsifier just stays at the bottom. Use a few pumps, however you like it. And you want to do this on dry skin. So I usually do this process for like 30 seconds, but if I have been out and about or I wore makeup that day, then I would do this for 60 seconds just so that I can get into all the nook and cranny of my face. But aside that, I do this for just 30 seconds on like a daily basis. So on wet skin, I'll be going in with the Clarify Anti-Acne Cleanser. So this is a daily gentle cleanser. It contains 0.5% salicylic acid as well as mulberry extract. So I'm just going to take like 2 pumps or 3 here and rub it in. So you want to activate the cleanser. Usually I would cleanse my face for 45 to 60 seconds. On days where I know I'm going to be exfoliating, I don't do a lot of friction on my face because I'm already going in with a lot of exfoliating product. So I just wash my face for like 30 or 45 seconds and then I'm done. But with the gentle exfoliating cleansers, I would leave it on for about 1 to 2 minutes just for the salicylic acid to work, and then I would rinse it off in the bathroom. So I've finished cleansing my face, but I just wanted to come on here and say something quickly. On days where I don't use the Clarify cleanser, this is the cleanser that I use. It's called the Soothe Oil-Free Facial Cleanser, and it basically just contains aloe vera and chamomile. So it's a gentle cleanser. So for reference, I have oily to combination skin. So my T-zone is oily while the rest of my face is kind of dry, normal to dry. So when I do not use the salicylic acid cleanser, I use the Soothe cleanser. So I basically use this every night while I use the Clarify in the mornings when I use them. If not, I use this morning and night. And you can also use this on sensitive skin. Yeah, you can also use it on sensitive skin. So to clean my face, I usually go in with a paper towel. I do not use normal body towel. So I just take 1 sheet. I just use this to get the excess water away from my face. I don't want it to be completely dry. So next I'll be going in with my Hydrate Water toner. I hope you guys can see it. This toner contains snail mucin extract. It also contains hyaluronic acid as well as panthenol. Yes, vitamin B5, and it's literally the best thing ever. So I just take like 4 pumps and use this, just slather it. While my face is still damp, I go in with a serum for my hyperpigmentation. This is a gentle serum, so I just press that in to my skin. So next thing I usually go in with is this Beauty Formulas, what's it called, Hydrating Gel. I use this only at night, and it's basically, I think it's supposed to be like an exfoliating product. That's the texture. So I like to let this sit on my face for a minute or so, because these are like actives. I like to let them sink in before I go in with my moisturizer. So for moisturizers, I have a few that I use. I'm very big on moisturizers. Having seborrheic dermatitis made me know what it is that my skin needs, and moisturizers are like top tier for me. First moisturizer that I use is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This moisturizer contains ceramides, oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, and all that good stuff. So every time I do some heavy exfoliating, this is what I would use. So I use this mostly at night, and it has a very, very lovely finish. During the day, if I'm using a mineral sunscreen, I would go in with my Dove body cream. This was the moisturizer I started using, or this was the cream I started using when I had my first major seborrheic dermatitis, and it really helped soothe my skin, take care of this flakiness and all that. So I always go back to this. I also use it for my body. It's super hydrating. So every time I use my mineral sunscreen, because it's a bit really mattifying, I always go in with this one. Another moisturizer I have in my collection is the Simple moisturizer. I don't know how I feel yet about this. I don't use it quite often, but it's still there because moisturizers are kind of my thing. But yeah, so today I'm going to be using my own formula for moisturizer. I haven't released this yet, but I love how this makes my skin look. It gives me this glowiness, but immediately and the morning after. So that's what I'm going to be using. So because my face is already dry, I always use moisturizers on the damp skin. I'm just going to take a facial mist and dampen my face. Last but not the least, good old Vaseline for your lips. You don't want your skin looking good and then your lips looking chapped. So a few things I'd like to mention. I only double cleanse at night. I use my oil cleanser or my cleansing oil as my first cleanser, and I go in with either my salicylic acid cleanser or my Soothe cleanser. Secondly, I also use this serum. It's called the Pei Mei vitamin C serum. It's actually a really cheap serum that I've run out of. I think it actually helped with fading my dark spots, but I would be trying something else. I do not think I'll be repurchasing this. So yeah, vitamin C has also contributed to the overall health and appearance of my skin. I do not skip on this. So you guys get a vitamin C serum in your routine. For exfoliation, I use lactic acid. I use a lactic acid based toner slash serum, and I also use a salicylic acid based toner, which didn't use any of them today, but yes, I do exfoliate. So I use the lactic acid maybe twice a week, while I use the salicylic acid also twice a week. So I do not exfoliate more than 3-4 times in a week. Last but not the least, if you're doing all this and you're not using a sunscreen, then everything is just wasted effort, you guys. Not in 2021 are you not using a sunscreen. Skin cancer is real. Everything you're doing, if it's not backed up with a sunscreen, then it's just pointless. I use both a mineral and a chemical sunscreen. The mineral sunscreen I use is the Gavia sunblock, and I absolutely love this. I love the finish on my skin, and sometimes I use the Skin Science sunscreen lotion SPF 50, and this is SPF 60. In this Lagos, Nigeria that we are, you should not be using anything less than 50, 40, let's say. So yeah, these are the two sunscreens I use on a daily. I'll be trying out a few more, but if you ain't broke, what are you fixing? But yeah, I do not skip on sunscreen. I also reapply like every 3 hours or 2 hours, depending on where I am or what I have done. So yeah, that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn a thing or two. I'm going to leave the details of all the products that I used in the description box below. Please support my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.